Hello. Hello. This is the YouTube about birds. Why This is a YouTube about birds. The birds come to our house every day because we give food. But sometimes the meat is still here. This is the food we give them every day. The birds ate half of them. Let's go inside and talk more about them. The bird comes to our house every day, right? Because we give food. Birds love to eat worms. Ugh. But also, okay, they also like to eat seeds. They also eat daddy. And my friend eat a ring. My friend Korea got the bird. My friend Korea have a bird, and the bird's name is Peck. Peck the bird. Peck the bird. Peck. Oh, sorry guys. Try being naughty this time. Please enjoy the bird video in my garden. The video. If you have, ding the bell and give us the 1 subscribe.